And guys, by the way, hindi pa pala namin kayo na-tour sa bahay namin and uh, she will tour us today. Boss, do you have energy to work?
Let me go home inside and check if it's clean.
Okay.
Because we cleaned in the morning.
Okay.
We couldn't tour as soon as we reached that day because we were so tired.
So guys, ito yung ano sa loob. Oops. Hi. So guys, ganito yung entrance niya. Come, baby. Nasa third floor po kami.
This one, I remember that it had stairs and it's the third floor. And then we had to carry the suitcase. Yes, we were so tired.
May suitcase po kami tatlo. So ngayon walang elevator. Kailangan namin buhatin. So ganito yung mga ano siya, parang mga pinag-umpahan dito. So ito na yung second floor. Ayun, third floor na po tayo. Garden yard. Ito na. Okay. So dito po kami nag-stay. 51. Pagod? Pagod, Aliana? Are you tired?
Go home and sleep, yeah?
Okay, so dito na tayo. Okay.
This is the entrance,
Entrance yan.
the corridor. Then
This is the room that we are staying right now.
it's like
Okay.
a 2-bedroom apartment.
Room.
She has provided literally everything, like the kids' mattress,
Ito po yung may pangbata. Kasi binention namin may pangbata. May bata kami.
the iron.
Ito yung planchahan.
Plancha?
Plancha, yeah.
That's iron?
Oo. Then, ito po yung ano. Show the
Yeah, the best part.
best part of the room.
Wait, there are clothes.
Okay, remove the clothes. No need? No need, it's okay. So, ito po yung view sa outside. It's okay, you're prettier.
Really?
Yeah. Yabang. So, ito po siya. May ano siya dito. May upuan na yan dito sa baba. And yan, greenery siya.
It's so nice, like you can sit down here and drink coffee.
Op. So, yun. Maganda magkape, guys. And let's go to kitchen.
Yeah.
Okay. Op. Yun po yung mga bagahe namin. Wala pang ano. Okay.
So this is the kitchen.
Kitchen. Yan.
This is just our stuff.
Our stuff.
But look how clean is her kitchen. I'm
Yeah.
not promoting or anything, but it's just that if someone wants to come and stay, they find difficulty in finding where to stay, neat and clean place, because that's what we struggle with, and affordable, this is the place.
Everything is here, guys.
Like the
The microwave.
There's this oven,
Mm,
and like
the planggana, kutsara, everything. You can cook
she's
everything.
literally provided, look,
Oh.
everything.
And yan, may mga plato.
And then there are pots, like
Huh? Pots?
pots.
Pots.
Then
And yan, may mga glasses, mugs. Oh, di ba? Pang tea, may pang ano din.
then she has
May washing machine na rin, guys.
like
And
toaster.
toaster, oven.
But these
Ay,
like
oven.
small things, guys, like the washing liquid and all.
This one is from us.
The washing liquid and all.
Dumi na.
And some grocery stuff is from us.
Ito yung ano, washroom reveal. Oh, meron na silang, may tub na yan, guys. Isa,
She has provided like all shampoo, shower gel.
two. Yan, madami yun sa side.
No, it's okay.
Then, meron na siyang laundry, may washroom. Ito, sampayan nata. What about the other room?
Wait.
This is the,
Light?
I think, yeah, for sure, for
Here.
it should.
Ah, yeah.
No, there is one more, like, switch.
I think this one also there is.
Anything outside? Let me check. Yeah. So, ito yung ano guys. Mag-isa pang room.
With a
Yan.
view.
So, two bedroom po yung inano namin. Kasi kasama namin yung sister niya. And the best part is you have the view of the city. Oh, wow. Wow. So guys, maganda siya pag maaga. Yan. Parang nasa New York. New York, right?
West Virginia.
Yan. So, last part is the
Living room. Can we
yung living room. Sandali.
You will record.
So guys, tara na tayo sa ano man. Last one, living room. Ito po yung sapatos namin. Di ba na, I will just record the... Wait lang. No, I'll just come out here. Little bit. So, ito na po yung living room. Malaki.
Everything.
Meron ng TV.
YouTube, Netflix.
Meron na kayong 4x4 table. Meron na ditong ano, sofa, upuan. Yan, may table na rin. And the best view again, yung kapitbahay po. Same lang.
Yeah, but at
Yan.
least
But,
there is
yeah.
view both the sides.
Sobrang ganda ng panahon ngayon dito. Yun.
So guys, if you really like this apartment and struggling to find a clean and neat home but affordable because other hotels are so expensive,
They should comment below or what?
they should comment below, they should like this video, and then we will put an exact location because we struggle to find this apartment even via Airbnb, and then she gave us the exact location, and it took us like 2 days to ping the proper location for the taxi drivers to bring us here or them to come over here to pick us up. So comment if you really like this place and you would like to come here. You guys can book it via Airbnb and we can help you drop the exacto location.
Yun lang? Yun lang? That's it?
That's it.
Wala na?
Wala na.
Okay. Bye-bye.